Hey, how you doing? We're gonna make some lamb chops, rack of lamb chops, but it's gonna be a little different. We're gonna season it with Desert Gold, which I love dearly. We're gonna make a chimichurri sauce. Now, before everybody gets all upset about chimichurri, there's a lot of leeway, even though there is a traditional one. So this one's gonna be a mint chimichurri, and instead of the red wine vinegar, I'm going to use a mango vinegar because I want to bring in some of the sweetness that you see a lot of times with a rack of lamb and the glazing. And so I figure mango and mint sounds pretty good. So we're going to start by making the chimichurri. Let's put just a little bit of fresh oregano in there. I actually prefer dried on oregano, but don't have any. So now, here's about a cup of mint and a cup of fresh parsley. This is going to test the capabilities of my little content grinder. We're going to take about 5 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. Now instead of red pepper flakes, I'm using Hallelujah lime. Get the salt in there too. I'm not putting the kosher salt because we already have sea salt and Hallelujah lime. Just getting it started with some olive oil. We'll need a little bit more. We're going to pulse this. Now we can drizzle about 2 or 3 teaspoons of the mango vinaigrette. Looking pretty good. See how fun this is? Now we're going to take half of the chimichurri, we're going to put it in a baggie, and we're going to marinate the Desert Gold seasoned rack of lamb. And then we're going to save the half as a finishing sauce on top of some couscous. So, I'll come back and we'll prepare the lamb. Okay, let's trim the rack of lamb. It's very little. We come in here. Done. A lot of talk about different kind of lamb chops out there. The prevailing favorites in America have been Colorado, which are great. I don't want to get in an argument between Colorado and New Zealand or Australia, but I happen to really like the Australian. They're not quite as gamey, they're a little smaller, and they're great for little appetizers. A little Desert Gold here. Pat them down, flip them over. I just love cooking, as you can tell. I love trying new ideas. I just love the process. I kind of check out from the real world. I don't check my phone. I'm not texting. I'm not watching television. I'm creating food. I'm getting to do stuff in the kitchen, but I'm also getting to do stuff outside, which I really like. Okay, let's just put a big tablespoon across it. Put these in the fridge for a while. I'm going to smooth it out with a brush. Now we're going to refrigerate these for about a half hour. And we'll see you outside when we're cooking them up. Okay, let's get these bad boys on the BBS grill. Drum. Now what we're going to do here with the drum, we're going to put the fat side toward the outside so we're not exposing it to the direct heat. This is a 2-stage cook. Reverse sear is another way of putting it. So we're going to set the timer for 8 minutes in check, then flip it for 8 minutes. Then we're going to pull it off and let the coals catch fire. We're going to give them a good sear, and then we're going to serve them up. I'll see you in 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. Let's temp them. We want to pull them around 135, 112. Here we go. I'd say 6 minutes, I'll check it. Okay, it's been 8 minutes and 6 minutes. Let's see how they temp. 130, that one's done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull this one off. We're gonna move the one that's the rarest to here. I'd say about 3 minutes. Yep, that one's done. Now we're going to do, I'm going to leave it open and let some air go. Now we're going to put them in the center. See, it's knowing where the heat is to get the right amount of char. Well, 3 are done. Follow the fire for the last. Okay, let's cut these bad boys open. Now you can do double cut or single cut. I'm doing single cut. Look, a bowl of couscous. Let's start laying them in here. Now, mint chimichurri. Now the chimichurri police are going to be on me because I played around with it, but that's cooking. You know, it's like all the hubbub about all the authentic barbecuers got really mad when people were making pork belly burn ends, which by the way I haven't made in years because I think it's kind of silly now. But it's like saying a taco can only be beef or pork, or a sandwich can only be bologna, or so there's just a lot of weird stuff that happens that I pretty much don't love. I think it's all about creating. And there you have it. Big Papa's mint chimichurri rack of lamb on a bed of couscous.